Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie without egg. You might be surprised to learn that many classic pie recipes are naturally egg-free, especially for the crust. For fillings, there are fantastic substitutes that ensure your pie is just as rich and satisfying. We'll explore how to achieve the right consistency and flavor, ensuring your egg-free pie is a showstopper. Get ready to bake a delicious dessert that everyone can enjoy. When it comes to the filling, you have several excellent options to replace eggs. Fruit purees, such as 1/4 cup of mashed banana or applesauce, can add moisture and help bind ingredients. Silken tofu is another fantastic choice, offering a creamy texture perfect for custard-like pies. For a simple binder, mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 5 minutes to thicken. Achieving the right thickness and structure in your egg-free pie is crucial. Starches like cornstarch or arrowroot powder are excellent thickeners. Typically, 1 to 2 tablespoons per pie works well. For a firmer, gel-like consistency, especially in fruit pies, consider using agar-agar powder. Dairy products such as yogurt or sour cream can also contribute to a rich texture and help stabilize the filling. These ingredients ensure your pie holds its shape beautifully. Once your pie is assembled, bake it at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is set. Cooling is perhaps the most important step for an egg-free pie. Allow it to cool completely for at least 3 hours or even overnight to ensure it sets properly. This patience will be rewarded with perfect slices. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.